Question number 66 onwards. Ayipinda 66. Now in this one, T is the mother of whom? T is the mother of J. Now this T is the mother of J can be written like this. J is the brother of C, J and C. And C is the mother of K. And K is married to L. K and L are married couple. Y is the mother of L. Y is the mother of whom? Y is the mother of L. And L, Y is married to S. Y and S are married couple. Y is a female, S is a male. And then coming back to this, and if R is the son of S, R is the son of S, R is here, R is the son of S, then how is R related to K? How is R related to K? K is spouse's brother. Spouse's brother, brother-in-law, choice 3, question number 66. Then coming to 67. Now in the 67, how is T related to K? Now K's mother's mother, grandmother, choice 3, question number 67. Then 68. Now in the 68, how is L related to C? L related to C. Now the gender of this L is not known. If L is a male, then L is the son-in-law. Or if L is a female, daughter-in-law. And son-in-law or daughter-in-law cannot be determined, choice 4, 68. Then 69 onwards. Now 69 to 73. Chesara leda? Fine. Then next one. Oddu sir annar already. Then 74. Now coming back to this 74. As 8 people are there seated around a circular table facing towards the center. 8 persons seated around a circular table facing towards the center. Then what is the first information we have? F sits out to the right of G annum. F is seated out to the right of G, G is here, F is here. And next one, C is an immediate neighbor of F. C is an immediate neighbor of F. How many possibilities we have? 2 possibilities. And 2 possibilities, C can be to the left hand side of F or to the right hand side. And G is here, and F is here, and C is here. And they go. And next one, F sits out to the right of G. C is an immediate neighbor of F. And next one, D sits to the immediate left of E. D is to the immediate left of E. D and E are adjacent to each other. Neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of Z. And D and Z cannot be at this place. As D and E cannot be here, how many possibilities we have for this D and E? D and E can be like this, can be like this. 2 possibilities in the first case. And again coming back to this one, D and Z, and D and Z, D is to the immediate left of E, D and E. The possibility, because D and E, they are, D is left, neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of Z. Hence D and E were like this. And D is not an immediate neighbor of C. But as in the third case, what happens here? Second case, D and C are adjacent, that is ruled out. Hence we have left with only the first one. And next, only 2 people between E and A. Between E and A, there must be exactly 2 people. And 2 people between E and A. And B is not an immediate neighbor of F. B is not an immediate neighbor of F. Now let us start the possibilities. Possibility the malbardam. Now D and E. Now D is here, E is here. This is one possibility, first possibility. And if D and E were like this, neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of Z. D is not an immediate neighbor of C. And next, only 2 people between E and A. Now in only 2 people between E and A, and CRA and ERA will be like this. And 2 people between E and A. B is not an immediate neighbor of F. And B is not an immediate neighbor of F, B is here. Any information on the? F sits out to the right of G, C is an immediate neighbor of F, and D sits to the immediate left of E, and neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of Z. Neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of whom? Is an immediate neighbor. Neither D nor E is an immediate neighbor of immediate neighbor of Z. And next one, and D is not an immediate neighbor of C, and only 2 people between E and A. E ki A ki majlo 2 people. As 2 people between E and A, then ఇక్కడ మనకి పాసిబిలిటీ ఏమొచ్చింది చెప్పండి, 2 people between E and A అన్నాం. As 2 people between E and A, D is to the immediate left of E కదా, ఇక్కడే కదా పాసిబిలిటీ తీసుకున్నాం. And 2 people between E and A means A must be here, అంతే కదా. And A is here. If A is here, B is not an immediate neighbor of F, B is here. Now B is here, then who is the person left over? H. H must be at this place. Saripinda arrangement? Now this is about question number 74 onwards. And 74 to how many questions were given under this one? 78. Then coming to question number 79 onwards. Now in this 79 it is based on directions. N is 4 meters to the north of M. N is here, M is here. N is 4 meters to the north of what? North of M. O is 2 meters to the east of N. O is 2 meters to the east of N, 2 meters. And O is exactly midway between N and P. O is exactly between N and P, and so P is, that's again 2 meters. O is exactly between N and P such that NOP form a straight line. Q is 2 meters to the south of P. Now this is Q, which is 2 meters to the south of P, and R is 4 meters to the west of Q. R is 4 meters means R will be here. 4 meters and ikkada 2 avutundi, ikkada M 2 avutundi. Saripayinda? Then towards which direction is M with respect to O? M with respect to O. M is in which direction with respect to O? South and west, southwest. Southwest choice 579. Then question number 80. And which of the following points other than O is or exactly 2 meters away from N? And O 2 meters away from N. Other than whom? Which of the following points other than O is 2 meters away from N? 2 meters away from N ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? R. R, that is choice 180. And 81 onwards, 81 to 85, they are based on sequence. Now in this sequence, which one of the following will come in the next one? Starting with F. F and percentage. How many elements we need to move forward? Plus 3. Percentage and B. Plus 3. B plus 3. At the rate of plus 3. And plus 3 is J. And J should be the first element. J is the first element. These three were ruled out. And obviously second element is same in both these two. VA only. No need to check out the second element. Then we need to check out the last one. Now in the last one, starting with what? Starting with the pound. And pound and I and 4. I ki 4 ki madhya relation cheppandi. Where is I and 4? Minus 2. And next one 4 and omega minus 2. Next one minus 2 is H, minus 2 C, C minus 2 is pound. Hence what is your answer? Choice 381. Then 82. Now in this, if the numbers are deleted from the above, which of the following will be 15th from the left? 15th from the left without the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. What is your answer? C, that is choice 3, question number 82. And 83. And how many symbols are there? Now the question is about a symbol, and which is immediately preceded by letter and followed by what? Followed by number. And the sequence must be number, symbol and letter. How many symbols are there? Each of which is immediately preceded by a letter as well as immediately followed by number. అదే కదా ఇంతకుముందు వేరే రాసాను నెంబర్ ఇట్ రాసా అండ్ లెటర్ సింబల్ అండ్ నెంబర్ అండ్ ప్రిసీడెడ్ బై లెటర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఏంటి ఆల్ as well as followed by number. Then letter symbol and number. Now letter the symbol and number ఒకటి వచ్చిందా R %3 and next one letter symbol and number there is one more and next one letter symbol and number and that's it. Letter symbol and number and so only 2 are of such type. 83 choice 2 సరిపోయింది కదా 83 choice. Then 84 and 4 out of the following means odd one out. Now in this odd one out N and C. N ki C ki mazda relation చెప్పండి N and C 1 2 3 4 plus 4 and C and pound minus 2 pound and K plus 3 plus 4 minus 2 plus 3 and choice 2 V 2 8 V and 2 చెప్పండి V and 2 1 2 3 4 plus 4 and 2 and 8 minus 2 and 8 and N minus 1 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ plus 4 minus 2 minus 1 8 and 1 then 6T and 6 and T what is the difference here 1 2 3 4 plus 4 T and percentage minus 2 percentage and B plus 1 clear and percentage and B plus 3 ఇక్కడ plus 3 వచ్చింది hence 1 and 3 are same hence 2 is the odd one. 84 choice 2. Then 85, and which of the following is 5th to the left of 19th from the left? 19 minus 5 is how much? 14th from the left. 14th from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, that is 5, choice 3, question number 85. And 86. Now some of the losses are medals. Some losses or medals can be written as, now these are the losses that are medals, and all these medals are what? Trophies. And some trophies are losses, definitely true. And all trophies are losses is false. And so what is your answer? Only one follows. Only one, choice 4, question number 86. And 87, all these answers are marked, all answers are marked, and all mark are number, and no number is a percentage, no intersection between number and a percentage. All answers are numbers, definitely true. No mark is a percentage is also true. Now to make the second one false, I need to go through complementary. In Japan, no mark is a percentage means some mark are percentage. Mark and percentage should be intersected. Aye chance unda? Ila percentage uche chance. The alternate diagram cannot be drawn. This will be true forever, both 1 and 2, choice 1, 87. Then 88. Now in this 88, some of the trees are wood, some trees are wood, some wood are paper, and all these papers are what? All papers are diaries. And first one, no diary is a tree as of now true. All papers are wood is a point. No diary is a tree on the out angel Japanese, some diaries are trees. Suppose some diaries are trees, and at the same time, alternate diagram true, previous conclusion false. All papers are wood is a possibility avutunda. All papers are wood. Ila raskochu kada wood. Done? And again, all the statements are అంతసేపు ఆలోచించే పనే లేదు మీకు డయాగ్రామ్తో. అలా డయాగ్రామ్ పక్క అంతసేపు చూస్తారండి. ఆల్ పేపర్స్ ఆర్ వుడ్ ఈజ్ ఎ పాసిబిలిటీ అన్నాడు. ఇది ఏమొచ్చింది? ఇవి స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఏమయ్యాయి? ఎఫర్మేటివ్. ఎఫర్మేటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఏమవుతుంది? యూనివర్సల్ డయాగ్రామ్. అండ్ ట్రీ ఈక్వల్స్ టు వుడ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు పేపర్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు డైరీ, అన్నీ ఇందులోనే పడిపోతాయి. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్. అండ్ వెన్ ఎవర్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్స్ ఆర్ ఎఫర్మేటివ్, ఎనీథింగ్ ఈజ్ పాసిబుల్. Done? And so what is your answer? Only 2. 88. Then 89. 89. Now in this 89, some of the trees are wood. Same question it seems. Some trees are wood and some wood are paper. And all these papers are what? All papers are diaries. And some woods are diaries. Definitely true. And some papers are trees. No intersection between these two. That is false. And so what is your answer? Only one. Only one. Choice 3, 89. Then 90th, all answers are marked, all mark are numbers, and no number is a percentage. And next one, and some percentages are answers. Percentage and answer, no intersection between, and all numbers are answers, that is also false. Neither one nor two, choice 5, question number 90. Then 91 onwards. Now in this 91, both the conclusions are in between B and G. Now between B and G, now leave this symbol equal to, which symbol is common? Greater than or equals to. B is either greater or equals to G. Either 1 or 2. Either 1 or 2, choice 1, 91. Then coming to this 92, and the relation between G and D. G is here, D is here, which element is common? X is common. Now G lesser than or equals to X, lesser than or equals to D, G lesser than or equals to D. Next one, S and K. Now S and K, which letter is common? X. S greater than X, X greater than or equals to K. S greater than K. Both the conclusions are true. Choice 3, 92. Then 93. Now in this 93, M and H. M is here, H is here, two opposite symbols or no? M greater than H is 2, lesser than or equals to H is false. A and S. Now A greater than S is 2, only 2 follows. Only 2, choice 2, question number 93. And 94. Now in this 94, P and J. Now the relation between P and J, two opposite symbols, no relation. R and C, lesser than, greater than, two opposite symbols, no relation. Neither one nor two, choice 2, question number 94. And 95, E and S. S is here, E is here, which element is common? P. And S greater than P, isn't it? E lesser than P means P greater than E. S greater than P, P greater than E, S greater than E, E lesser than S. Now the relation between T and L, opposite symbol, no relation. Only 1 is 2. Only 1 is 2, choice 3, 95. And 96 onwards, now it is based on, and 7 friends are there, facing towards north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And D stands exactly at the center of the line, definite information. And only one person between D and B. B can be either to the left hand side or right hand side. Now D is here, one person between D and B. And they one person between D and B. And F stands to the immediate left of C. F is to the immediate left of C. F is to the immediate left of C. Neither F nor C is an immediate neighbor of D. Neither F nor C is an immediate neighbor of D. F and C. Here again F and C. Saripendo? And next one. And E stands second to the right of Z. What about this E? E stands second to the right of Z. Neither B nor F is an immediate neighbor of A. E stands now here. G and E were like this. If G and E were like this, A will be here. Now if A is here, neither B nor F is an immediate neighbor of A, that information will be false. Because A is here. Hence, what is the possibility we have? G and E. Now if G and E, if you are taken like this, neither B nor F is an, up A ikkada. A and B are adjacent, this is also ruled out. This case is completely ruled out. Then coming back to this one, G and E. If you take G and E here, then A will be here. A cannot be adjacent to B, that case is ruled out. Next one, G and E. G and E is here, A is here. Neither B nor F, B and F is not adjacent to A. Clear? Now this is the final arrangement, 96 to 100. అయిపోయిందండి పేపర్. అమ్మ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేమైనా ఉందా పేపర్లో? రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ ఉందా? క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్స్ చెప్పండి. రాంగ్ నెంబర్ సిరీస్ 51. Now question numbers 51 to 55. Now in this 51 to 55, now 51, now numbers are in the decreasing order. Whenever the numbers are in the decreasing order, ela cheyali? We need to start in the reverse order. Avuna kada? And reverse order ela chestam cheppandi. Now 37 and 131. How many times it goes? Into 3 anukunta? Into 3 avutunda. 37 into 3 anta 30 into 3 and 90. 7 into 3 21. And into 3 37.5 into 3 anta? Ento? 37.5 into 3. పెద్దలు కదులుతున్న నెంబర్ రావట్లే బయటికి. 112.5. ఎలా చేశారు? ఎంతసేపు ఎందుకు చేశారు? మరి 37.5కి ఎంత యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం? 2.5 యాడ్ చేయండి. 2.5 యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎంత అయింది? 40. 40 into 3 ఎంత? 120. 2.5 యాడ్ చేసి ఎంత మల్టిప్లై చేసి into 3 అంటే 7.5 ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉంది 120లో. ఇఫ్ యూ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ 7.5 from 120, you will get 112.5. Clear? 112.5. And how much is added? ఇంకెంత యాడ్ అయింది మనకి? And 112 and next one 15 and 37.5. ఇక్కడ ఎంత యాడ్ అవుతుంది చెప్పండి? 2. And next one into 1.5 వస్తుందా? రావట్లేదు. And 15 and into 2.5 ఎంత చెప్పండి? 15 into 2.5 and 15 into 2.5 37.5 కదా. And 37.5 into 2.5 is 37.5. And next one 37.5 and 131 into 3.5. సరిపోతుందా లేదా? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ 2.5 3.5 ఇది ఎంత చెప్పండి? 1.5. మనకి ఇది ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 0.5. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ద నెంబర్ మస్ట్ బి 20. అండ్ 25 is the wrong number, 20 is the correct number. Choice to 51. Done with this? Then 52. 10 158. 10తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 760తో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. Then tell me what is your answer in this case? చెప్పాలి ఆన్సర్. 10. దేంతో వెళ్దాం? 10 and 158. Then what is the difference between these two numbers? 148 ఉంది difference. Next difference ఎంత చెప్పండి? 158 and 331. 158 and 330. 10తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, 760తో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి నెంబర్స్ స్పీడ్గా పెరుగుతున్నాయా? నెంబర్ పెరుగుతుంది కాబట్టి ఏం చేయాలి? ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్? డిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్ దేనికి వెళ్ళాలి? మా ప్రొడక్ట్ అయితే అవ్వదు. 10 into how much is 158? నో. అండ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆర్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అవ్వదు. డిఫరెన్స్ అవుతుందా? కాంబినేషన్ అవుతుందా? మా కాంబినేషన్ అవ్వాలంటే మీరు నెంబర్ పెరుగుతుందని అది కాదు చూడవలసింది. పెరుగుతూ ఈ ప్రీవియస్ నెంబర్తో ఎంతవరకు పెరిగింది? 533 into 2 అయింది అట్లీస్ట్? నో. హెన్స్ నాట్ అట్లీస్ట్ డబుల్. హెన్స్ ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ ఫాల్ అండర్ కాంబినేషన్. ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి డిఫరెన్స్. క్లియర్? అందుకని ఫస్ట్ అండ్ లాస్ట్ నెంబర్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తే పెద్ద నెంబర్లా ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి రైజ్ ఎంత ఉంది? స్లోలీ రైజ్డ్. And it has not been doubled at least, hence it must be under difference. డిఫరెన్సెస్లో చెప్పండి. 148 ఈజ్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 170, 173. 48 and this one, the difference is how much? 23, 25. 25 difference వచ్చింది కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి. అండ్ 173, 198 అండ్ 331 అండ్ 533 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 202, 202. నా 202 డిఫరెన్స్ అంటే ఎంత రావాలి చెప్పండి? 25. ఇక 25 అయితే మనకి డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత రావాలి? 73 + 25, 98 మస్ట్ బి యాడెడ్. అవునా కదా? 198 యాడ్ అవ్వాలి, 5 and 202 యాడ్ ఇన్, దట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ వన్. దెన్ 533, that is choice 4, question number 52. Then 53 చెప్పండి. As 53, now 5648, 6248. Now ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ చెక్ చేసుకుని what is the number we have, and the numbers are increasing at a smaller rate. డబుల్ ఎక్కడ అవ్వట్లేదు అట్లీస్ట్. అండ్ ఆల్టర్నేట్ తీసుకుని అనుకోండి 648, 698 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? 48 and 98, 50. అండ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? అండ్ 50 and 44, అంతే కదా డిఫరెన్స్. నా 50 and 44 ఈజ్ ది డిఫరెన్స్. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడ 5 నెంబర్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆల్టర్నేట్ సెట్ కాదు జనరల్గా. అండ్ వీ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ అట్లీస్ట్ 7 నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ దిస్. అండ్ అగైన్ మనకి రాంగ్ నెంబర్లో ఆల్టర్నేట్కి వెళ్ళకండి, రేరెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద రేర్ కేటగిరీ. నెక్స్ట్ 5648, 6273 డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పాలి. 5648 and 6273 డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత? నా 48, 5648కి ఇంకో 600 కలపండి, 6248 అయింది. 6048 and this one, the difference between these two is so much? 625. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? క్లియర్? Now the difference is so much? And 625. And 62473 and 5698. ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ చెప్పండి? 275 ఇది. 6273 and 5 choice 575 వస్తుందా? 575. Now here it is subtracted. And 575, next difference ఎంత వస్తుంది? 528. Next one 528. Next number 484. ఇక్కడ 484 వస్తుందమ్మా. ఎస్ 484. అండ్ 484 అయితే మనకి రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఎక్కడ? 625 is nothing but 25 square. లాస్ట్ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 484 వచ్చిందా? 484 అంటే ఇది ఎంత చెప్పండి? 22 square. 25, 22 మధ్యలో ఇంకా 2 ఉండాలి. ఏంటో 2? 24 square ఒకటి అండ్ 23 square ఒకటి. 24 square అంటే ఎంత అవ్వాలి? Now it must be 576 must be subtracted. కానీ అంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు మనం. దట్ ఈస్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్. Now the difference between the numbers are squares in the descending order starting with 25. Minus 25 square, minus 24 square, minus 23 square, minus 22 square. 5698, choice 4, 53. Then 54. Now in this 54, 14, 27, 80, 320, 15, 24. చెప్పండి. Now 320, 15, 94 ఆన్సర్ చెప్తారా? నా 14తో స్టార్ట్ అయింది, 1594కి ఎండ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? అండ్ నెంబర్స్ 300 నుంచి చూసుకుంటే మినిమం 5 టైమ్స్ పెరిగింది. నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ అట్ ఎ వెరీ ఫాస్ట్ రేట్. ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి అండర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ డిఫరెన్స్. అండ్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఆర్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్. అండ్ ప్రొడక్ట్ ఆర్ కాంబినేషన్ 14 into 2, 28 minus 1, 27 into 3, 81 minus 1, and 81 minus 27 into 3 into 4. Next into 4 minus 1 రావాలి. అండ్ ఎంత రావాలి? 319 రావాలి. అండ్ 319 into 5, and 1595 minus 1, 1594, correct. And so what is the wrong number here? 320, and the correct number is 319, choice 5, 54. And coming to this 55. Now 55. 43తో స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, 1004 and 492. ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనకి మినిమం డబుల్ అయింది కనుక ఎంత వస్తుంది? 492 into 2. Yes, tell me what is your answer here? And 984. Fine. 984 ఎలా చేశారు? 49 into 2, 98, 2 into 2, 4, 994. అలానే చేశారమ్మా. Then next one. 984కి ఇంకా ఎంత యాడ్ అయింది? 16 + 4 20 యాడ్ అయింది. ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ దిస్ వన్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్? 236, అది కూడా మనకి ఇంటూ 2 కదా, ప్రతి దగ్గర మనకి ఇంటూ 2నే అవుతుంది మనకి. అండ్ ఇంటూ 2 అవుతుంది కాబట్టి 43 ఇంటూ 2 హౌ మచ్? 86. 86 ప్లస్ హౌ మచ్? 14 + 8 22 కదా. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 108 ఇంటూ 2 ఎంత? 216 ప్లస్ 20. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? 236 ఇంటూ 2 అండ్ 472 ప్లస్ 20. రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 20 ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 20 కనుక ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉండాలి? ఇంటూ 2 ప్లస్ 20. అండ్ 108 మైనస్ 20 సో మచ్ 88. 88 డివైడెడ్ బై 2 ఎంత? 44 రావాలి. ఇక్కడ 44 ఈజ్ ద కరెక్ట్ నెంబర్, 48 ఈజ్ ద రాంగ్, 43 ఈజ్ ద రాంగ్. 44 ఇంటూ 2 88 ప్లస్ 20 108. అండ్ ద రాంగ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 43, చాయిస్ 1. అదే ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ రాంగ్ అయితే ఇంకా కొద్దిగా టైం పెట్టేస్తుంది మనకి. Done with this?